Ah yes, my favorite Sicilian pasta dish, pasta alla Norma. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna get some nice big cubes of eggplant and I'm gonna toss that in the pasta. That's not totally traditional, but I think it tastes best. I'm also gonna leave about 3 or 4 1/4 inch round slices of eggplant, and that's gonna be for garnish. So once you cube up your eggplant, you're gonna wanna toss it in a bowl with some kosher salt. And what that's gonna do is draw out the moisture, and when you saute it, it doesn't take as much oil, and it also just tastes nice because it's seasoned. It might turn a little brown, don't worry about it. So you salt it, toss it in a bowl, put it on a rack. Make sure you also salt those round garnish slices as well. So we're gonna just let it sit on a rack for about an hour. So halfway through that hour, after about 30 minutes, we're just gonna give it a nice little toss to get some of that moisture off. And I'm leaving it on a rack so that moisture can kind of fall on that rack and it doesn't just get stuck in that eggplant. So once those eggplant are ready, you add them to a saute pan with a good amount of olive oil, saute over medium heat while tossing, and it's gonna get nice and brown like that. And those are delicious, by the way. Those are super good eggplant. And you do the same thing with the rounds. Just fry them in olive oil both sides until they're nice and golden brown. So to put this dish together, we have our wonderful marinara sauce. I'll leave a link up above. I just had a recipe for that on my channel. And we're gonna do a nice couple handfuls of your roasted eggplant pieces. And we're just gonna heat that up over very low heat. Meanwhile, bring a pot of water up to a boil, add your rigatoni, cook until it's al dente. Add that rigatoni with a little bit of the pasta water right into that eggplant marinara sauce. And we're just gonna cook over medium heat until it gets nice and incorporated, the sauce gets nice and thick. Add some fresh parsley or some fresh basil, some nice fresh herbs to liven it up. Give it a nice little toss. And now we're gonna top it with ricotta salata, which is basically ricotta that's been dried a little bit longer. And we're just gonna crumble it up with our hands. And to plate this dish up is very simple. Just put that beautiful pasta with that tomato sauce and those eggplant right in the center. Put a beautiful medallion of eggplant right on top. And then just cover it with some nice fresh ricotta salata. And there you have it, pasta alla Norma, a very traditional Sicilian pasta dish. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.